गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल हिट लॉग्स। ये चैनल का पर्पस है हम आपको अलग अलग भिन्न भिन्न लोगों से मिलाने का, जो अपने काम के कारण हम सब की लाइफ पे इम्पैक्ट करते हैं और हम सब की लाइफ इम्प्रूव करते हैं। नोइंगली और अननोइंगली ये हमसे जुड़े हैं। तो हमारी यही इनिशिएटिव है कि हम हर उस शख्स से आपसे मिलाए जो हमें अपनी लाइफ अच्छे से जीने के लिए कोई ना कोई नया सबक सिखाती है। चलिए हम आज अपने पहले गेस्ट से मिलते हैं। So doctor, tell us, what does VDIS do?
So what VDIS does is this: we cater only to the mentally challenged children. We take up children with other deficits, but mentally challenged is most important. Once we've diagnosed that what is the level of mental retardation, we see to it that we start providing education with a special curriculum which is devised for that particular child. So the child goes through an evaluation. After evaluation, he is put under particular teachers who will start taking up his progress. As far as mentally challenged children are concerned, some of them are trainable. What I mean by the trainable lot is these children can do and fend for themselves in future. So we identify that one skill of the child which he is good at, maybe singing, maybe dancing, maybe just cooking. After identifying that skill, we see to it that one skill is trained so much that he becomes a pro at that, and thereafter we make it the means of livelihood for them. So for example, there are children who are working at water fountains because pouring water does not require so much of brain. There are children who are in packaging industry because again it does not require so much brain, it is a mechanical job. We have children, the girls, we don't keep them outside, we teach them vocationally to be at home or home science department of our school, where they make rakhis, garbas, diyas, etc., and these are sold. And there is a lot of students who are into sports, singing and dancing. You guys should witness our show Big Wonders. It's online to see and see how beautifully they can sing and dance. And may I boast and say this, I'm proud of this. At Special Olympics, our school has topmost medals all over India for all kinds of sports that you can think of. So that's what VDS does in the smallest gist that I can say to you.
Okay, perfect. So doctor, tell us about your life's calling.
So Hiteshi, about life's calling, I always believe that a calling has a cause and a cause always has a catalyst. Catalyst यानी कुछ तो हमें उस चीज़ को करने की प्रेरणा देता है. As far as my life's calling is concerned, मेरे दो mentally challenged sisters थे, who were born in around 1950s. My father, being a medical professional, tried to search for them कि भाई कहीं schooling मिल जाए या कहीं पे उनको एजुकेशन मिल जाए, लेकिन तब तो नॉर्मल स्कूल्स में भी दिक्कत होती थी, तो स्पेशल एजुकेशन वाज आउट ऑफ लीग. सो देन बीइंग अ मैन ऑफ मेडिसिन ही थॉट, व्हाई डोंट आई डू इट? सो दैट इज व्हेन अ स्पेशल स्कूल फॉर चिल्ड्रन स्टार्टेड. इट वाज अ स्मॉल सिंपल हम्बल सेटअप वेयर एक रूम में एक टीचर, दो बच्चे से शुरुआत हुई. टुडे वी आर 8,500 ex students, 550 in-house students and a staff of more than 250. So if you ask me, summing it up, what is my life's calling? तो इससे बड़ा calling हो नहीं सकता है. I am just carrying his good work forward.
Earliest memories.
Earliest memories are always the rosier ones. Some are born with the golden spoon, some are born with the silver spoon. We were a family of 4 girls. I believe that what our parents gave us was the spoon of freedom. We had the will, desire and freedom and independence to do what we wanted. So I believe that that has a very important role, that if your parents are the wind beneath your wings, आप हर उड़ान भर सकते हैं और बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली भर सकते हैं. So my parents have given us only a happy childhood and a childhood to really cherish, and I'm thankful for that.
When did you decide to become who you are today?
I believe in destiny. Life takes its own course. जो जब होना है सो तब होएगा. So I have just gone with the flow of life and become what I am today.
When you decided to become who you are today?
As I told you कि I believe in destiny. जो जब होना है तब होएगा. So I became a dentist. After that I got married, I became a mother. All those events of life just went on as they were supposed to be. God's grace, I would say. But like you mentioned earlier कि calling कैसे आया, तो ये एक story है जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी. My father passed away about 4 or 5 years back. At that point of time, the school where there were 550 children who were mentally challenged and they were studying over there were left without a godfather. So with all the things in life, like if I am speaking to a woman right now, she will say, मेरे पास time नहीं है, I have so many things to look after. There's a husband, there's a family, there's food. So the same was happening with my life, that there was so much in complexities that I decided, okay, I cannot take care of VDIs, I will put in my papers. On that day, I was walking the 4-story building of VDIs. मैं एक हर मंजिला चढ़ के जा रही थी just to make up my mind कि मेरा decision सही है या गलत. When I reached the 3rd floor, you will see a picture of a child which is put up over here. She came running to me. 5 साल की बच्ची थी. She said, "दीदी झुको." I झुकोed and she put a peck on my cheek and she said, "दादा चले गए लेकिन आप आ गए." And that made me realize that there is no turning back and this is life's calling. This is what is destined for me, and I have become the mother of these children forever. And today I'm extremely pleased with the step because after 5 years, I probably now have 550 children under my aegis or wings rather than just one child of mine.
Wow, beautiful story. What about your aim in life?
Okay, we are going through a very tough phase of life, all of us. Corona taught us a lot of things. काफ़ी सारी दिक्कतें सब पे आई. If I'm talking to parents right now on this medium, I will say, आप सोचिए कि आपका बच्चा फिजिकल स्कूल जाता था, अब ऑनलाइन स्कूल हो गई. ऑनलाइन स्कूल को अडेप्ट करने में उसे कितनी दिक्कत आई, आपको भी वो परेशानी झेलनी पड़ी. What happens is, we had the challenge to take this whole education of special children online, because otherwise my children in 2 years were going to suffer so much that probably it was irreparable loss. So what we did is, we also wanted something which goes into the lower socio-economic strata as well. So I did not want to keep it privileged or something which is only for my VDI's children. So Corona ने हमको एक opportunity दी where we've taken all our videos, all our education online. It is called vdis.org. आपको अगर स्पेशल बच्चा कहीं पे भी in the remotest place or village of India या abroad है and you have access to internet, you can educate that child via the medium of our YouTube, which is free for all. I think it's one of the biggest things and the boon that Corona has given us, that we have become a global classroom. Make them a part of you. So my biggest aim is, what I see as challenges, a lot of mentally challenged children. At 60 also the child is just with the brain of a 6-year-old or maybe younger. But once the parents decease, there is nobody to take care of the child on most circumstances. I believe that if we all collectively reach out to the government and try to tell the government that if the parent is going to keep putting money throughout their life to secure the life of these children, the government should have a policy to ensure that they have a shelter, and time and again the parents' hard work is going towards the benefit and livelihood of this child, so that he also lives the rest of his life with peace and dignity. I would say, everyone who can, please reach out my cause and help me achieve this with the government.
What about your biggest achievement till date?
My biggest achievement is very small, but I'm very, very proud of it. Again, it revolves around a special child, as my story of life is that. There was this child who was almost 12 or 13 years of age, and she would not speak. Of course, she was mentally challenged, but her speech had not developed, and nobody could understand why she is unable to talk, because everything otherwise fell into place. So my speech therapist, my occupational therapist, my other therapists, everybody was trying to understand what is going on with this child. And then one fine day, just to find out the well-being of the child, I happened to speak to her mother and she answered the phone. And when she answered the phone, I realized that she's making an attempt to speak. The mother at home saw the expression of the child and she said that I have never seen my child so excited to speak to anyone. Dr. Gunjan, I think you need to take personal efforts in the well-being of my child. So that is when we started with this girl. She started coming to me. I started spending 20 minute sessions with her. Today she's all of 17 years of age and communicates beautifully in two languages, Gujarati and English, with absolute wonderful vocabulary and speech. It's my biggest achievement that a child who never spoke, just out of the influence or aura or friendship with me, was able to express herself.
About your family.
So I'm a dentist by profession, as I told you. I'm married to another dentist. So life is very peaceful. The mantra of life over here is that it's my backup for life. My father said to me when I was seeing, I'm an arranged marriage like any regular Indian family. So when we were seeing boys, my father said, try to find your best friend and see to it that he's backup for life. I'm happy to say that in Dr. Chitrang Thakur, I have found both. He is my pillar of strength, wind beneath my wings, whatever you call it. He is my best friend and my sounding board. And God's gifted us with a wonderful daughter who is, I would say, her biggest virtue is she is as compassionate as both of us put together, and she also wants to do something and give back to the society at the small age of 9. So I believe that if I'm raising a daughter that nice, I'm very proud of her. So family wise, I feel God has been really kind to me.
How about your friends?
God again has been very kind. I can't count them on my fingertips. I have the most awesome set of friends. I say this, that there is family and then there is friends and then there are friends who are family. So I am blessed that friends who are family are gifted galore by God to us.
Tell us about who has been your best teacher and what is your best lesson you have learned till now.
There is no best teacher. All teachers are good. They should be respected. And as far as lesson of life is concerned, I think we are all learning every day, no? Every day that we walk through the streets or live life, somewhere or the other we are learning, imbibing and evolving. So yes, it's an everyday learning curve for me.
So doctor, tell us, what do you celebrate the most in your life?
You're asking me what is my success in life?
Yes.
Okay, I believe that, let's again tell you a story. So what happens is mentally challenged children cannot learn all subjects. जैसे नॉर्मल बच्चा पास होता है, उनको 5 सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट करने का एक मौका दिया जाता है. If they pass those 5 subjects, they move further in life and they would be equivalent to clearing SSC, which is called NIOS in the other terms of special education. I have had children in the past couple of years who've become successful, finished their NIOS, passed their SSC, moved into fields like animation, computer, and gotten jobs in various places. I have somebody who's right now at Crossword. You walk in and the child comes up to you and asks, how may I help you? It's a challenge child, please remember. And he will say, what are your interests in books? Take you to the place where you will find your interest and guide you through the range of books. I don't think that there is bigger success than this that I can describe out of my life. I see success within my children's eyes and I feel that I have succeeded in this.
So doctor, give us a message for today's Generation G.
The message for Generation Z, go digital, go outbound on digital, but don't forget the jadoo ki jappi, don't forget the human touch, and don't forget the compassion and the change that it brings about. After all, what binds each other and all of us together is that love, and digital medium mein kahin to we are losing that a little bit. So I'm not saying go away from it, but be compassionate, be kind. The world needs that now more than ever.
So guys, ये थे डॉक्टर गुंजन ठक्कर, जिनसे हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिला आज के दिन. हमें बताइए आपने क्या सीखा, आपका क्या लर्निंग रहा इनके इंटरव्यू से, और हमें लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने कमेंट हमें हमारे चैनल पे छोड़िए. थैंक यू, बाय गाइस.